Hey guys, I'm getting ready to go on a highway trip in the Jeep here, and of course I picked up the new Rigid lights, and I'd hate to get out on the highway and have a stray rock come and hurt these things. So I picked up a set of covers, just getting ready to put them on here. But I did get a chance to head out to the Canadian River about 30 minutes or so north of town the other night, and finally got a chance to check these out. They were aimed a little low, but well, here, why don't you take a look for yourself. Rock lights, not that we can see that from in here. And we add parking lamps, fog lamps, low beams, high beams, and here are the low end of the rigids. Pull this back down to go to the highs on the rigids. Yeah, I think those are just a little low. It's like they're centered down. They really are just...
Are they too wide? Do they need to come in a little bit?
Well, I don't want them in because they're filling the gap in light exactly where I want them to.
Now, need them up.
Yeah, I just need them up. Now, eventually, I'll get a winch and I will attach some lights to the fair lead to project further forward, and then I may even get a bar up top here for real long distance. As you can see, they were aimed a little low, but I've adjusted them and I think we're in a better position now. I'm going to get this other light cover on, and before long we'll get out there again and see how they're looking now. We'll catch you next time.